There's the Riv and Rio. Aren't they adorable? No, stay out. Anyways, today we're planting our garden. We've got it all fenced in here now. And last night we had 4 birds that escape all the time. Well, 3, and then yesterday there was 4. Yeah, we clipped their wing, one of their wings. I'm going to do a video on that at another time because it was super easy, and I think some new chicken owners might be like intimidated by something as simple as that, and now they can't get out. I know they were free ranging, and my neighbor asked me one time there to you know, if I could put them away because they were ruining his garden. The same as the lady over here across the way. She I think she fed them, or maybe they like to go and get cat food or dog food or whatever's out, and so they were all right, guys. They were starting to pester them over there too. Got the fence frontage done. Looks alright, eh? Hey, Riv. Okay. We did this pretty easy yesterday. It wasn't too bad. I think we're gonna continue to improve on it. We'll see tonight how things go. Birdie birds. Got a bit of rain past couple days. Looks like they're down on the water there, or they better do that water. But yeah. Go in, birdie bird. Here, let's go in. I gotta do their water, I guess. Hey guys, let's go in and check it out. See how many eggs we got today. Yeah. They got water, but they, you know, sometimes they'll jump up on top or whatever, eh? And maybe take a shit. I don't know. Too bad. They got water. They don't really drink a lot, and it was raining. So in here, I can see quite a few eggs. Probably more than a dozen or so there. Yeah, that's a beauty. Here's another beauty. Look at that one. That's a nice one, eh? Good job, girls. Good job. People don't want them wrecking their garden, so yeah. Your water's okay now, I'm sure. I just filled it yesterday, actually. Half full, I can see it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's another thing I wanted to show you for the I'll be back for you girls later. For the garden was like this was all sod, eh? So this is about what we dug out. Glad we got it completed. This fence was so many trips it took us to get driftwood and whatnot, eh, Riv? Or Zoe? And the other day I did the puppy. That's just all the bedding there. was actually pretty good. The chickens were out then, and picked through all of that. We might use this too. It's kind of rotten, like most of the material around here gets so wet, eh? God. Now I ordered some birds. Just gonna show you, yeah. There. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that in here, but that was from the escaped convicts. There, the 4 of them. They were laying on the land every day. You leave it. Good girl. And they were out on the land, but they were laying in here. I like that. They used to lay in there too. But, well, not now. Get those later. Anyways, I'm going to help my wife out and get these planted. Let's get her done. So, today we got a lot of stuff planted in here today. And we're about done for the day. All these rows here, tons of beets up here. Yeah. Then we did some up here too. Some corn in here. I'll tell you what we did there another time, but yeah. And these boxes here, some of this. These are like, I think, lettuce. That's gonna grow up. There's peas up the back of it, up the fence line here, hopefully. And eventually, I think we're gonna try potatoes in here, like that, one of those methods you see. So, we did a lot of work today. Got her done. And yeah, it was a good day. Time for supper. Go at it again tomorrow.